How to enable or disable reduce transparency and blur on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we then scroll down and tap on accessibility. Then tap on vision enhancements. And from here, we then scroll down and tap on reduce transparency and blur. Tap on the toggle button to turn it on or switch it off. Here, once you turn it on, it can reduce visual effects on dialogues and menus to make them easier to see. Finally, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.